Dori Sukup here, founder of Inspiration Management, with another question of the week. This week questions comes to us from Amy from New York. Amy's asking, I have a medical spa and I was wondering what type of treatment can I introduce that's not going to cost me over $100,000, such as a laser, but can also produce results for my clients. That's a great question, and you're so right. When you have a medical spa, one of the most expensive things you do is buy lasers. And as you know, there's really not that many lasers that are less than 100,000. So I'm so glad you asked that question. And one of the things that's becoming extremely popular is actually microneedling. Microneedling is a great way to get results with your clients and not have to spend a fortune doing it. The thing is, there are so many different devices that you can look into. So I really want to recommend one that's actually my favorite, and that's the DermaFrac. If you go to the genesisbiosystems.com, you'll be able to see all sorts of different equipment that they have that they can actually help guide you and see which one would be the ideal one for you. So they are reasonable, they're very effective, and they produce great results. And they have all sorts of different models that you can choose from. The most popular one that they have is the DermaFrac. And it's a great system that does microneedling, and it has some of the latest technologies with it. It has no downtime, no pain, and it works tremendously. I have few clients that actually have it and are loving the entire treatment. So I highly recommend them. So again, you can go to genesisbiosystems.com and check it out. Now, there are also all sorts of other treatments you can do that are not requiring a large investment. For example, another very popular treatment is PRP, for example. And you can do hair growth, you can do facials, you can do female health, male health, sexual treatments you can do to improve sexual health. So there are so many things that you can do without having to make a huge investment in lasers if your budget does not allow it. Now, of course, if you have a big budget, lasers are a great thing to have. You just have to make sure, again, you do your homework and you buy the right one, the most ideal one for your business and you. So what we like to do is help our clients generate revenue, be in the positive, and then take some of that investment and reinvest in your business, some of the profit, I should say, and reinvest in your business. So I hope this answers your question. It's a great resource for you. They're great people to deal with. So go ahead and give them a call and see which is the ideal treatment for you. So I hope I answered it. And if you have a question, make sure you write it to info@inspirationmanagement.com. Until next time, stay inspired.